Hi everybody.
Hi everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to another video of the many roads we travel. And if you're following us on Instagram, we are the many roads we travel to. But anywhere else, it's the many roads we travel. I'm Nick, and this is Amber.
Hi. Jensen might come in here too. He's
yes.
And they're watching TV right now.
So we're going to do another unboxing. But before we do that, I picked up two of these Funko soda. They're like pop figures basically. I opened up one last night. Couldn't wait till we do the video. But basically, it looks like a soda can, which is pretty nifty looking. And then it reminds me almost of a Pog.
Mm-hmm.
So for any kids that are watching, Pogs back in the day, when we were kids, they were these little cardboard discs, like so. And you would lay them down, and then you would have a big metal thing called slammer, and then they'd be face down, and then if you hit it with the slammer, where Pogs flipped over facing up, then you got to keep those. So that would be the premise of the game. Try to flip over as many Pogs as you can. But it's pretty neat. They actually let you know which number you have. So this is one of this is 12,500, and there is a total of 15,000 of these. So I didn't open this one yet. So
Any scissors?
no, but that's what he looks like. It's a little bobblehead.
Let's see if we got the what's it called?
And then as you can see, there's right there's the mystery. It looks like it's Jawa holding the blaster. I'm pretty sure there's a proper name for it, but so when you take him out, he's in this black bag. And then, give me the scissors. Away. Yeah, they were the last two at Hot Topic, so I just go ahead and grab them. And oh, it's another regular.
It'd be easier just to use the scissors.
It's a rubber band almost.
Oh, that's where that rubber band came from. Okay, because I threw the other one away.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it was from that.
It's fine. And it's another regular, so.
Now you get an army of them.
Yes. Actually, probably not at the price they are.
It's still trash.
Yeah. And this is number,
So it all says the same?
Yeah, it all says the same. Well, that's very disappointing. Well then, I don't know which numbers these are. They're all...
It's 1 out of 12,500.
Yeah, but it says 15...
Right, so 1 out of 12,500 are the... So they have 12,500 of the regular, and then the rest of it is all the variant.
Jesus, gotcha. Yeah. Okay. So now that's over. These guys over here. So.
Oh, that is the main dish
yes.
of the program.
Another Pro Wrestling Crate unboxing.
I feel like somebody splatted a grape all over your box.
I don't know. That's how it was when I saw it.
Mm-mm.
When it came in. There we go.
Be quiet. You can continue.
Alright. So I feel like I should start keeping the previous month nearby, and so I can do like a little recap on what these boxes are gonna consist of. Every month I completely forget what's in the box, so it's always a surprise every time. And there you go, you can hold on to that. And we got Catch This Live for your chance to get look at that later. Some advertisement. So, and we got Kenny Omega T-shirt.
You have to dance.
Kenny Omega. Cleaner. As most of you should know by now, Kenny Omega's been suspended along with Young Bucks, and they were stripped of their trios tag team championship belts for the fight that they got into with CM Punk and his trainer Ace Steel. So everybody's still waiting to find out what's going on with all of them when the Young Bucks and Kenny Omega are coming back, and then to find out if CM Punk got fired or not. So, moving on. We got a sticker. That's clever.
Yeah.
Britsburg for Dr. Britt Baker. Pretty nifty.
At first I thought it was like ice hockey or something, the way they just look down there.
Yeah, those are hockey sticks.
Oh, okay.
But she's also a Steelers fan. Unfortunately, we are not. And there is currently a ratings game going on right now as we speak.
Yes.
Against the Patriots. So then we got... oh, this is nifty.
Oh, that is cool.
Yeah. Candice LeRae.
It's like a cupcake.
That's cool. I really like the design of that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Definitely gonna hold on that one. That's cool. It's a bottle opener. Greg the Hammer Valentine. That's neat. And then Johnny Gargano.
There's 100 chase variants of this one.
That is Johnny Gargano, right?
Yeah.
Ric Flair, Brawler.
There's 250 chase variants of him.
And of course the card on the back. I still really like the fact that they're making them like this, making them in like an actual package instead of the little bag that they would put them in. And I like the card on the back too. Almost reminds me of when they were making the when WWF was making the bendable figures right after the Hasbro line. There was kind of like an in between where they didn't really have action figures. It was they were starting lines of bendable figures, and then after that, I don't remember what the company was. I think it was just Bendems, or I could be wrong. That could have been what they were just called. I don't know. But yeah, in between Hasbro and Jakks, they were making the bendable figures, and they were doing the same exact thing on the back of the package, making like a cartoon collector's card of them. Then we got Ring of Honor, Volume 4, 2019. Oh, it's a 2-disc. That's cool.
It says it's a grab bag DVD, so there's lots of different ones that I guess you could have gotten.
Interesting.
Not everybody got the same.
But I'm wondering if there's too many matches for me to go over. But with Ring of Honor kind of like in limbo right now, where they don't really have a TV deal, and they're still doing events, but it's not as much as they used to. So I'm wondering if they're just trying to get rid of like back stock that they have.
Makes sense, especially with Christmas coming along.
Well, also with them not being on TV as much, they're not able to have more events, sell more product like they used to, so they can just try to get rid of wherever they can, just throw them into these boxes. And then see what autograph we got. And we got is this Tyler Breeze?
Mm-hmm.
You just look so different without the blonde hair. The long blonde hair.
It's probably the whole point.
But I think he might be coming back to WWE. I'm not really sure. They're bringing back so many people now. It's hard to keep up with what's going on.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
No, it's a good thing. I mean, now that Triple H is taking over, a lot of people want to come back now, so it's better work environment and all. So.
All right, now here's the spoiler alert for October's box. It's going to be featuring Sting, Macho Man Randy Savage, Danhausen, Insane Clown Posse.
Wow, that's
Abaddon, Lince Dorado, and Mick Foley. Why is Insane Clown Posse on here?
I have no idea why Insane Clown Posse is part of this now. Where's Papa Shango? Why isn't Papa Shango not on this? He's been a part of the October box for the last 2 years, and now Papa Shango is not.
You got Insane Clown Posse.
Fucking ICP.
It's like they're not wrestlers. Why?
They are. They are. They've been a part of many wrestling promotions. They even have their own wrestling promotion.
Oh, I've never heard that before.
I don't have anything against Insane Clown Posse. I'm just upset Papa Shango is not a part of this. Like I said, the last 2 October boxes, he was a part of it. And again, nothing against ICP. That does not make up for not having Papa Shango in this box coming up. Yeah. So, no Papa Shango. But, we got,
Did you have Sting, Danhausen?
You know, I get it in a way for Sting.
Uh-huh.
I get it for Danhausen. I get it for Abaddon. Insane Clown Posse. For October, kind of makes sense. Foley, not so much. Dorado, not really. Macho Man, not really. I feel like if they really wanted to do something on the lines of things that could fit in for Halloween, you could have Doink the Clown, Papa Shango, Boogeyman. You know, it would have been more interesting if they kept it with a theme with people having like more face paint or masks.
Well, that's why I figured it was
right,
Sting,
because you got
Danhausen,
ICP, Abaddon. Yeah. Although she doesn't really. I mean, she does wear face paint, but she does more like.
The name alone sounds.
Yeah, but like you never seen Abaddon before. But like if you would see her, she looks like something that would be like in a horror movie.
I've seen her.
Okay.
I've seen her when I was doing my research for my writing for my article years ago.
Okay. But yeah. So again, no Papa Shango.
I think Nick needs to go cry in a corner.
So yeah, I really liked the Candice LeRae shirt. That was really cool. And Ric Flair, it's always cool. The pin's pretty nifty. I mean, yeah. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this video of Many Roads We Travel unboxing. And like I said, if you follow us on Instagram, it's The Many Roads We Travel 2 because somebody hacked into our account.
And I would definitely sign up for or start following us on Instagram because next Saturday, or no, I'm sorry, 2 Saturdays, October 8th, we are going to be interviewing AEW.
All Ego Ethan Page.
Yes.
And then before that, that's Slugfest too, right? Baltimore Slugfest?
No, Slugfest is after it.
Okay.
Slugfest is on the 16th.
Okay.
And then next Saturday, Nick will be performing at a horror convention. Horror book convention.
I am?
Alright, his character, his magician character, Niox Mayhem, will be performing.
I heard of him. It's pretty good.
Oh my goodness gracious. Anyway, so we have some fun stuff coming up to watch out for, and then you'll see more stuff with Nick after the 17th because I'm getting surgery on my foot, so I will not be on these videos that much. It'll be more him. So
maybe. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, we're missing the Ravens game, so alright, that's going to do it for this video of The Main Roads We Travel. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you all later.